So, question 6, they're asking us about this cylinder, saying it holds 200 gallons of oil, and they're asking us whether it's half full or not. Now, the measurements we've been given are in centimetres, and I know that 1 litre is 1,000 centimetres cubed, because 1 millilitre is equivalent to 1 centimetre cubed. This is a fact you need to know. So, if I can work out that it contains 200 gallons of oil when it's full, then I can work out how many litres it is, because 2 gallons, if you go along the line and down, 2 gallons is 9 litres. So I'm going to put that up here. Notice it's a starred question, so you need to show your explanation. So 2 gallons is 9 litres, so 200 gallons will be 900 litres. If it's half full, it will be 450 litres. So now we're going to see how much this can hold and see whether half of that is equal to 450. So the volume of a cylinder, I need to do the area of the circle times the length. So we need to do pi times the radius squared times the length. So I'm going to do pi times 60 squared and times that by 180. And that, if you're not sure, pi is just above the times 10 button here. So it's pi times 60 squared times by 180. That gets me 2035752. 04 centimetres cubed, which if you divide it by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, is 203.57 litres. It's not 203.57 litres, it's 2,035.7 litres divided by 1,000, 3 zeros. So, what we then need to go, that's when the tank is full, is 450 litres more or less than half. So half the tank will be half of this value. So that's 1,017 litres and 89 millilitres. 896 millilitres. So 450 is less than half. To work out the mass, you're going to need the formula for mass density volume. Now, if you want to remember the triangle, you can. What I've always done is I know that density is equal to, because of the way that it's written here, this is a weight, so that's mass, divided by, this is a volume, centimetres cubed. So I know that density is mass over volume, like that. Now, what I'm going to do is work out the mass of it, so I'm going to have to times density by volume. The density is 0.85. I need the volume in centimetres cubed, which I had earlier on, if you remember back. It is 450 litres is how much is in there. So 450 litres, which we know from our conversion, I times it by 10, 100, 1,000. That's that many centimetres cubed, 450,000. So I'm going to multiply those two numbers together. And I get 382,500. And that's grams, because that's what the unit said. So in kilograms, I'm going to divide by 1,000 again, 10, 100, 1,000. That's 382.5 kilograms.